Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again. Savannah James is once again flaunting her beauty for the gram. The mother of three blessed the internet with 4 new photos shortly after getting her hair done by celebrity hairstylist Ricky Wing. Her outfit was put together by celebrity wardrobe stylist Casey Billingsley. Growing and glowing, she wrote in the caption. In the photos, she can be seen rocking a blonde bombshell blowout with a middle part to go with her simple but cute outfit. James wore a pair of army green jogger pants with a matching green puffer jacket. Underneath the jacket, she sported a floral corset with touches of green, white, red, and yellow on it. To complete the look, she wore a pair of tan, translucent pointed heels and carried a black purse. The 36-year-old did not share any information about where she was going, but she did collect a lot of compliments from fans. The crown has not slipped once on Miss Savannah, Savannah don't miss James, and Mrs. Savannah always on their necks. James, if pressure was a person, are just a few of the many reactions that fans left in her comment section. Just a few weeks ago, James stole the shine while taking a family photo with her husband LeBron James and their children's sons Bronny and Bryce and daughter Zuri. She did a quick hair flip before making sure she was picture ready while rocking her blonde inches. While James has been turning the heat up on social media, when it comes to her looks, it's clear that she is still a very private person. Only been in recent years have fans been seeing more and more of the NBA player's wife, and while they're eating it up, she's still not giving them too much. Nearly 3 years ago, she told Essence she prefers to be discreet with her life and makes strict choices about what she posts. She said, I do what feels right. I'm a very private person in general. With all the social media outlets, I feel like I have the choice to show you what I want to show you. Despite not posting heavily on social media, it seems her fans are grateful for just about anything she wears or shares online. That's all for now. Subscribe for more.